Welcome back everyone to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to turn on Apple Intelligence on iPhone from settings. First thing first, open Settings and tap Apple Intelligence and Siri. In that menu, find Apple Intelligence and toggle the switch on or tap Turn on Apple Intelligence. The exact wording may vary depending on your iOS version and whether you've enabled it before, and if prompt, follow any on-screen setup steps like agreeing to terms. Now, Apple Intelligence is not available on all iPhone models. It requires hardware that supports the workload like iPhone 15 Pro and newer. Your region, language, and Siri language settings might need to be compatible for it to appear. And make sure your device is running a version of iOS that supports Apple Intelligence from 18.1 or whatever version your device requires. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.